Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing hardware and launching the app. Power on the headset, charge it to at least 50% and update firmware. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. Next, install the Google VR app or a supported app from your device store, then open it. Pair the controller if the experience requires input. Follow on-screen pairing prompts. Once done, place the phone in headset or power-up standalone unit. Adjust straps and lens distance so the view is clear and stable. Now you calibrate and learn interactions for a smooth session. Start the app's calibration. Set IPT, eye distance, and floor level so virtual scale matches reality. Then complete the tutorial to practice gaze aiming, trigger presses, or touchpad gestures depending on your input method. Make adjustments in settings. Lower graphics to conserve battery and reduce heat, or increase frame rate for comfort. If movement causes motion sickness, enable teleport locomotion or reduce acceleration. To finish, exit the VR app and power down the headset to prevent overheating and save battery. Make sure to close background apps on a tethered phone or standalone unit to stabilize performance. If you see drift, stutter, or tracking loss, recalibrate sensors and reposition your play area. As a single troubleshooting step, restart the headset, repair the controller, and if that fails, reinstall the app. This sequence fixes most persistent issues. Finally, clean lenses with a microfiber cloth and store safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.